I'm so very honoured to be given this fellowship today, and over the years I've received many awards. I became a nurse, I became a professor, I was given the OBE by the Queen, the late Queen, but I have to say the honour that I'm most proud to receive is from my local college today, and I couldn't be more pleased to be here. This college is so special to me. My son studied here and from here went on to achieve a bachelor's degree and a master's degree. My nephew came here to study his A-levels and became a doctor, and my niece, who I'm very proud of, Priyan Watkins, is graduating here today, and I'm so pleased to be able to share this ceremony with her. I was a member of the Board of Governors for 2 decades, and so I know firsthand that this college lives its values of supporting all students to realise their dream and their potential. Honoured though I am to be here, today is not about me, today is about the graduates and their remarkable achievement and the start of their journey now as they go into the rest of their lives. And I want to say many congratulations to all our graduates. You've done so well, you've made your family, the college and the university so proud of you all.
It's been quite the experience going back into education, being a full-time mum to this little one and having a full-time job as well. So doing something alongside work was a bit of a baptism of fire, but I've really enjoyed it, and yeah, I'm thoroughly proud of myself and also really proud day to have my family here with me as well. A fantastic day just to be able to set the example for this little one and also follow my mum's footsteps. But she's set the bar quite high because she's got 2 degrees, so I've got a little bit more work to do yet.
I'm so proud of her, you know, bringing up little one as well. I'm going to cry. Yeah, just so proud.